Are you ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Hello, it's... Welcome back to another video. So today, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair, but with a twist. So this trend has been going around the YouTube space for months now. I know, I'm so late. And it's the I mix all my insert makeup product all together. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this trend started with Sofia Nyangard. She mixed all her nude lipsticks all together to make the Frankenstein nude lipstick. Frankenstein, yeah. She made up that name, so don't blame me. I mean, it's a nice name. So yeah, it all started with her, and then everything just followed. There's foundation, there's lipsticks, there's highlighter. It's crazy. And I thought it's a cool idea, so I'm joining the bandwagon. But instead of mixing all of my makeup together, I'm gonna be mixing all of my hair dyes. So before we get into the mixing part, let's go through my hair dye collection. I put them all in a shoebox, as you can see. So let's start with the cool colors. Hair dye number 1. This is the Artic Fox in the shade Transylvania. It's a blue-black.
Blue-black, 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 blue-black.
Dye. I know this dye can be really pigmented, so we're just gonna put a little bit of it. Hair dye number 2. Kailangan ko pa talaga magbilang. Feel ko talaga overexposed ako. Manic Panic in the shade Voodoo Blue. You guys, this is the first semi-permanent dye that I ever purchased. So it's a little sentimental for me, kaya hindi ko pa siya inuubos. Ooh, I remember the smell. I'm gonna take a Q-tip. Ooh, here. Another Manic Panic. It's in the shade Blue Steel. This is actually a toner, but we're gonna add it anyway. Ooh! Hair dye number 4, Enrage color with the shade Purple Plum. This is my one and only blue-based purple. And then sometimes I tone my hair with it when I want that silver color. And I'm surprised that there's still a lot of product left. Hair dye number 5, it's a Iron color Brilliance Brights in the shade Titanium. This is the granny hair dye, but it has strong blue tint in it, so when your hair fades out, it turns out kind of green. That's why I don't like this hair dye. Oh, hindi lang to hair dye tutorial, naging review din. This is hair dye number... I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 na pala. 7. Adore in the shade 121 Jet Black. This is a liquid semi-permanent, so we're just gonna add a tiny bit because we don't want to ruin our... because we don't want to compromise our texture. You know, science. If you add liquid on a pasty consistency, it's gonna turn out liquid. So that's it for the cool. Let's move on to the warms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pala yun. 7. Manic Panic Vampire Red. Dude, this is classic. Hair dye number 8, I think. Artic Fox ulit in the shade Porange. Actually, you can use this alone without the conditioner, so it's not that pigmented. So we should put a lot of it. Whee! Hair dye number 9. It's the Iron color Brilliance. Neon Brights. Neon Brights. Neon Brights. Neon Brights. In the shade Cantaloupe. Melon. Ganon. Paste. sobrang thick nung consistency niya. Ang hirap niya i-mix. Hair dye number 10, it's the Adore in the shade 68 Crimson. Again, it's liquid, so unti lang dapat. And last but not the least, it's the Argan Oil, one and only hair color. Perfect intensity, vibrant color, semi-permanent in the shade Pure Magenta. So here's what it looks like. Look! You think that's a lot of color? Ugh, I don't know. Before we mix them all together, do you guys have any guess of what would it turn out? Because I have two guesses. It's either brown, because we mix all the colors all together, so it might turn black or brown. So it's either brown or purple, a red-based purple. Mas marami yung worms kesa sa blues ko, so baka maging purple siya, but red-based purple, you know. There's two kind of purple. There's blue-based and then there's red-based. Okay, let's do this. I am right. I'm always right. It's a chocolatey kind of brown. Wow, it's interesting. Alright, I just rinsed my hair out. I'll probably see you tomorrow because I have things to do. Yeah, see you on the next day. Okay, are you ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. It's purple! This is definitely a red-based purple. I was right. So it's either brown or purple, a red-based purple. I'm always right. Shall we take a turn? On some lighting, it looks pink, but right now I am in front of the window, natural lighting, but it's purple. I swear it's purple. It came out really patchy. There are some parts that took the purple really well, and then there are parts where meh. So as I was mixing all the dye together, the dye itself looked rose gold. It's weird, but yeah, here's the color. I like it. I love it. I never had this color. I only had blue-based purple before, and this is a new thing. So that is it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!